why do some children are like learning science at school? Some children may dislike studying science subjects in school for the various reasons. The first reason is the science subjects can further involve the uh, complex concept, and theories can be the challenging for some student to grasp, to to gain is leading to the frustrations and a lack of interest. And some student may struggle to see the real world uh, application of what they are learning in science, and which learning in science which can make it seem irrelevant to their lives. The children nowadays are really like to take a lot of outdoor activities in learning, so it's really interesting to them to gain a lot more knowledge. Is it important to study science at school? Um, yes, I think studying science in school is crucial for the several reasons. First of all, science helps us understand the world around us, from the basic principles of the physical and chemistries to complexities of the biologies and ecologies. And ecologies, is allowed to comprehend the natural process that shape our planet. 3. Which science subjects is the most important for children to learn? The importance of the different science subjects can, depending on the individual interesting, individual hobby, and the career goals of the children. Biology is the study of living organisms and their interaction with the environment. For example, the biologists, have used for their understanding of the life process and develop new drugs and the treatment for the disease, and they can choose a lot of disease if they have a lot more knowledge about the biologies. And chemistry is also explore the properties and behaviors of the matters and how substance interact. And for examples, if you like to invent, if you like to make some of the substance, you can learn the chemistries and know how to make the substance. Should people continue to study science after graduating from school? Uh, um, you know, mm, um, I think people should continue to study science even after graduation. Because learning is the lifelong journeys of the people, and when you continuing to study sciences after graduation, first can be fosters a mindset of the lifelong learning. You can know more. You can know more about the world today or the world nowadays, and everything around us. And science is constant evolving, staying updated with the latest discovery, technologies, and breakthrough. Improve ensures that an individual can apply current knowledge and adapt to trends in the fields. How do you get to know about scientific news? I think when I need to know about the scientific news on the world today's, or even the other days, I can take the phones and surf for the internet about the science, for the science, or I can read the newspaper. Is newspaper relevant to the science, and maybe I can listening to the radio app when I go to bed to know more about the world today about science. And if if this if like for example if the days are very busy, I can go to school and ask my classmates or my friend at the school. They are also like the science news. Should science explain the research process to the public? Um, I think the explanation in the way is one of the ways that um, that the scientists communicate with the public. And if when they when they talk about this when they talk about this research to the public, they can have the customers to the maintain, or they can have maintain the public trust in the science, and they can make a higher reputation, a lot of reliable to the customer. And they and when you talk like this, and you talk about this thing to everyone, so so that they can understand about how this science about this scientific work. So I think that's all.